It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Crocktober Extravaganza 2021. I've been asked by Lisa from Southern Stays and Jenny Garth if I would do a recipe in this collaboration. So I will be showing my recipe for creamy rice pudding, and it's lovely. It's also going to be a giveaway at the end of the month. There's going to be one episode each day of for the Crocktober Extravaganza 2021 from different YouTube channels. So please make a comment at the bottom of this video. Also, please go and watch all the other channels that are joining in with this Crocktober, because at the end of the month there will be a giveaway. Shh, not going to tell what it is yet, but there will be a giveaway. They will choose one of the videos at random that went out during October, and then they will choose one comment from that video. So if you comment on this video and this is the one that's chosen, your comment has got a good chance of winning. So please feel free to make a comment. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. But here's my creamy rice pudding now, in my medium-sized slow cooker this time. So in here I have got a heaped cup of long grain rice. To that I'm going to add a couple of nice big knobs of unsalted butter. We've got 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And now I want 6 cups of milk, and I'm using whole fat milk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is a lot for just the two of us, but I like cold rice pudding as well. And I'm putting 1.5 teaspoons, my hand's shaking, try it the other way around, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and it's leaked all over the place. Never mind. Stir it, see if you can get the sugar to dissolve. I think I need a plastic something on it so it doesn't mark it much or at all. A plastic spatula. Now you can put a cinnamon stick in this. I don't think I've got any cinnamon sticks. I can't because I haven't got any in. But it's feeling like it's dissolved now. And I'll put this on low for about 2 hours. Give it a stir and then leave it for another 2 hours. There is the rice pudding. This has had about 4 hours on low. It's nice. It's still runny and creamy. And you could certainly let it go for longer if you wanted. But that's how easy it is to do rice pudding. You can see. If we leave it a bit longer, it'll get thicker. Thank you. Bye.
It's a